Good afternoon, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. I know that many of you are wondering whether your state or city will be sending out their own fourth stimulus check. So in today's video, friends, I will be sharing with you the full details of the latest state stimulus relief plans, as well as how President Biden is making a few changes to his fourth stimulus package. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter any of the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. The next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow.
This group of business leaders from all across the region, and all of us here in Los Angeles, for a simple reason, because we believe in the incredible economic potential of the Americas. I know I do. We all do. I mean, I just think the potential is unlimited. The region is filled with dynamic energy, entrepreneurs who are ready to break out, innovators who will change the way we think and the way we do things, young people poised to seize the future. Everybody, the press always asks me, why am I so optimistic with the way things are? Take a look at all these young folks. They're the best educated. They're the most generous. They're the people who have done the most. They're ready to volunteer, and they're the least prejudiced folks in the world. It's a new generation, and this an underpinning gives me an enormous sense of, and I mean this sincerely, an enormous sense of optimism. We have everything we need right here in the Western Hemisphere, not only to point ourselves toward a future that is more prosperous, secure, and democratic, but the ability to achieve it as well. And for all of you are essential to making sure we get to this place we have to get to. You know, the private sector is able to move quickly, to mobilize vast amounts of investment capital, as are going to be needed to unlock the enormous potential for growth in this hemisphere, in the region. And when we combine the ability of government to direct economic activity towards specific challenges, to help mitigate risk, guard against unfair practices, and create predictable demand, with the agility of the private sector, I believe we can deliver real improvement for people's lives.
Many states and cities are seeing some of the highest gas prices in U.S. history. AAA reports that the national average for a gallon of gas is currently $4.95. The average across Idaho is about $5.03 per gallon. Both of these averages are up in recent days. So Democrat Representative James Ruchti and his colleague Senator David Nelson have sent a letter to Governor Little proposing a new crisis relief idea. Representative Ruchti said, "Senator Nelson and I are proposing that we do a special session. We meet for the sole purpose of considering a gas tax holiday piece of legislation. A special session can only be called by Governor Little. If he did call a special session in response to the proposal, Representative Ruchti says that Democrats only want one bill considered. The bill would essentially pause Idaho's tax on gasoline for at least 6 months. The current gas tax in Idaho is 32 cents a gallon, meaning that residents of Idaho would get some relief at the fuel pump." Representative Ruchti also stated, "It's a great way to get money back into the pockets of Idaho residents who are just going to spend it on the economy. You would think of it as a targeted tax break." Idaho's gas tax goes towards gem state roads and maintenance. The proposed gas tax holiday would cost the state about $180 million. Ruchti and Nelson point to the state's budget surplus as a solution to making that fund whole. Ruchti also says a big plus for him in the proposal is a concept that the gas tax will help all residents of Idaho who fill up their tank. Relief from the soaring gas prices might also be on the way for West Virginians. During a regular briefing this week, West Virginia Governor Jim Justice said that he's considering calling a special session of the state legislature, and he said that a gas tax holiday is at the top of his list of issues that he would potentially bring to the table. Governor Justice said he would take a look at surplus and the American Rescue Plan Act dollars to see if there's a way to use them for the gas tax holiday. This follows calls by many lawmakers on both sides of the aisle to to suspend West Virginia's gas tax amid soaring prices last week, as well as back in March when Democrats urged Governor Justice to temporarily suspend the gas tax. So friends, what are your thoughts on the gas tax holiday? Do you think it's enough help to lower the price of gas? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. According to CNN News, the fastest and most effective way to protect vulnerable citizens from the impacts of global economic instability is to provide a direct payment through the IRS, which is similar to the 3 stimulus checks that were sent to American families during the height of this crisis. Those stimulus checks helped low and moderate income households when schools and childcare programs were closed and companies were laying off workers. Democratic Representative Mike Thompson, John Larson, and Lauren Underwood all have introduced the Gas Rebate Act of 2022. While it's still in the early stages, the bill would provide eligible taxpayers with $100 monthly energy rebate payments and an additional $100 per dependent. Payment eligibility would currently be structured similarly to previous stimulus payments. Married filers who file jointly with incomes up to $150,000 and single filers with incomes of up to $75,000 would receive the full payment, with higher income levels phased out. Friends, the keyword for this video is Ocean Beach. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Ocean Beach, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Representative Peter DeFazio, a Democrat from Oregon, has also proposed a bill that would tax oil companies and provide rebates to consumers. Friends, do you think that all Americans should receive some form of inflation relief check? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. I greatly appreciate all of you who are joining me daily and watching my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Tashina Fields. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email, or you can send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.